Once again, Russian Lancet kamikaze drone of Zala made destroys some Ukrainian equipment on the hottest front today. The Russian Ministry of Defense released video on June 23, 2023, showing the moment the Lancet attacks and repels the advance of an Ukrainian main battle tank on the Vremesky ledge towards South Donetsk, near the border of the Zaporozhye region. Russian UAV operators discovered a T-64 tank under cover of the jungle belt, shelling the Russian positions. The drone dived with speed and force, the stray munitions exploded, and the vehicle was visibly destroyed, the Ministry of Defense reported. The cheap Lancet drone is not only effective of destroying MBT in modern warfare. The armed forces of Ukraine brought a BM-21 Grad rocket-launched artillery system to the Zaporozhye front near the Orikov hotspot. Lancet, who had been waiting for a long time, suddenly crashed into the equipment. Footage shows the explosion on the BM-21 Grad, causing the rocket to start shooting wildly of itself. Worth noting, the Ukrainian forces, with all the supply of large-scale NATO systems, still finds it difficult to fight against the Lancet kamikaze drone.